Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the Windows on Lenovo IdeaPad 2-in-1 Ultra 5 16GB 512GB laptop 14 inches OLED. Here you can see the model number ideapad 5 2-in-1 14 series. I am going to show you how to install the Windows in this laptop. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is the model. You can see ideapad 2-in-1 14 inches touchscreen OLED. 14 inches OLED. Yeah, this is the type C power adapter, just connecting the power now. And this is the flash drive for media. Windows 11 Pro. Flash drive, USB bootable LED switch on the unit. Power button is here. Switching on. So it is going to boot. Please like the video. I'm going to explain in this one how to install the OS on Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 laptop. Here you can see Windows setup screen came. So we need to set up. In this IdeaPad series, so the touchpad doesn't work. So either we need to use the touchscreen or either we can connect the USB mouse. So I'm connecting the USB mouse to install the OS. So next you need to do the next. Here you can see the next and start install. So I'm going to install the Windows 11 Pro. I'm selected Windows 11 Pro. Next. Accept the license agreement. Next. I'm choosing the second option, install Windows only in advance. So this is a 512GB SSD M.2 is there in this laptop. Next. So installing the Windows in Lenovo IdeaPad 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop. This one will take 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, getting file ready to install 100%. So all the Windows setup is going on now. So do not turn off the system, it will restart. Wait for some time. Starting services. Getting ready. So here you need to do the Windows setup. So here I'm not going to connect internet. After selecting the country of region and keyboard layout and username, so it will ask you the connect the internet. I'm not going to connect any internet now. So it will ask the username, give any username. So password, don't give any password right now. Next. Getting things ready for you, just wait for some time. Do not turn off the PC. So this is the setup of the Windows 11 Pro. So after that you need to install the drivers. I'm just removing the flash drive. So looking to connect the internet. So there is no internet option. So because there is no drivers for Wi-Fi. So using the USB Ethernet connection for internet. After connecting the Ethernet, the drivers need to update. So Ethernet is connected, so Wi-Fi is there through LAN. So updates are going on. So once done all the updates, you can use the system. So mousepad drivers, sound drivers, all the drivers will come. So now some of the drivers installed. See, mouse touchpad is working now. So remaining drivers is downloading. Once download all the drivers, ready to use. Now here you can see Windows is already installed and drivers are updated. So ready to use. Sound driver, camera driver, Wi-Fi driver and touchpad driver, all the drivers updated. You can see the green tick mark. So now ready to use. Just activate the Windows and then use. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.